Welcome to the HikTech Star Show. 4 tracks this year. 4 ways to shine. Find your perfect fit and tell your story. Here's a quick guide to get you started. Explore Deep is all about the hardcore tech. Crack open a product and show us what's inside. Or show us how the AI thinks in real time. Push the limits with a side-by-side test. Or let the data do the talking. You can set a new standard. Think Wild is for creative minds. Share your best idea. Try a fresh lens or a new angle. Turn data into something we can see. Connect products in a way that feels like magic. Or take our tech somewhere no one expects. Even a smartphone is enough if the idea is fresh. Create Smart focuses on real-world projects. For example, start with the problem your client is facing. From the design to the install, bring it to life. Then capture how every part works together as one system. End on the handshake, a job well done. Share Good is about people and using tech for a better world. Film the team that grows with you. Highlight the hard work behind the scenes. Or show how technology protects the planet and wildlife. These are stories worth passing on. We can't wait to see what you create. Find your track and start rolling.